Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. And since I enjoy giving you something for free today, I'm actually posting a Bitcoin trade on Discord. Sell at 74k with 21% reward. Now, I actually think Bitcoin is about to move up, and I actually just wanted to post the trade. 4% is not that much of a risk, so forgive me if it does not play out. I don't control Bitcoin, but I do see that there's a good chance as we see Bitcoin trying to push even to $74,000 because again, a lot of people are still bearish. Now, if you're not on Discord, it's pretty simple. Check the comment section. I've actually given you a fresh invitation link. It's going to expire very soon, so click on that one and you're going to be in. Now, I've talked about Luna Classic previously, and I've told you that Luna Classic is amazing when you have this falling wedge. So we have very big, nice falling wedge on Luna Classic. And right now we are breaking above the wedge itself. Here's the official break, and this is the official closing above the line itself. So I do expect it to come down for the retest and retest a little bit and then try to push to the upside. Or you can actually not retest at all and do something like where you have this little bit of a pattern as well going on. And I think it's almost like a V-shaped recovery, or yeah, something like that. So it's actually going to be like this. Okay, so yes, even this one right over there. Okay, so it does look like you the plan is to break above here, retest, and then try to go and push to the upside. There are chances we may see Luna Classic actually getting up to this technical target, and I've spoken about this couple of days ago. It's been a while. I know I haven't made any Luna Classic update, but here it is. Okay, falling wedge on the charts, falling wedge on the RSI. Okay, and the RSI is also breaking and the chart is also breaking. This is really good to look at, but I'm still a little bit careful. You never know about September. I'm just very careful regarding the month of September. So I'm actually going to try on the private to get Luna Classic, but I'm actually trying to navigate through which is the best entry option. That's still going to take some time to see where exactly can I take an entry. But yeah, in the meanwhile, you do have a freebie on Discord sitting down for you. You've just watched it. You can even trade it if you don't want to be a part of Discord, but you should be for the future. Anytime I can surprise you with some nice, good, profitable and knowledgeable free things on Discord. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.